I'm Doyle Elder with Southwire Tools, and today I want to talk to you about our BENDstation Pro. This is a complete workstation for 3/4 and 1 inch EMT. It's got a lot of really nice features I want to point out. First, it's got 3 levels of conduit storage on it, so it'll hold about 1,000 foot of conduit. It's got a speed vise here on the back, and this vise will hold both EMT and unistrut, and I'll show you more about that. We've got a workbench top. This is a great place to prefab parts. We have an integrated ruler. This level of storage is for your materials and tools. When we walk to the front, you can see it has a dual bending head, and it's fast to switch from one size to another. And we have an oversized protractor, which is going to help your crew make fast and accurate bends the first time. So let me just get into this, and we'll bend the conduit. But I think everybody would agree that there's a lot of bending over, up and down all day, and bending EMT. With this BENDstation on your job, it's going to help your crew stand up and work and get a lot more work done. So now they would just take a conduit from this rack, lay it on the far side of the vise. I'm going to mark that for a 10-inch 90. We're going to go right in the bender head. Now this bender head has all the same marks as a hand bender, the star, the arrow, the notch, so there's nothing to learn. So we'll make this 90. I'll have to allow for spring back. So there's the 90. I'll put it right back up on the tabletop, and the front of this is a perfect square. So with a quick glance, I can see that that's almost exactly a 90. Once you know your spring back, that's where you bend to every time. So I'm going to mark this for a 4-inch 30-degree offset. In the bender head, I'm going to line this up on the front of the hook. A lot of people like to use the arrow, and that's fine. So I'll level that up right there. So I'm going to bend that to 33 for the spring back. Push it through. Level it up. So 33. So there's a 10-inch 90 with a 4-inch offset. It's straight, real nice bend. So the next thing your crew's going to do on the job is get their tape measure out to put a mark on this, right? Or if it's a 10-foot piece, they might even get in the floor. But with the BENDstation, we'll do all this standing up. So if you just had a 90, you'd bump it and mark it. This one has some offset, so I'll use this stop. I'll stop it, I'll mark it. We'll take 2 steps back. Put it right in our onboard vise, and now I can make a safe and an accurate cut. Now, the other feature on the vise is that it also will hold unistrut, so you can take your unistrut, get your marks on it. It goes right in the square tube. We'll clamp this right through the window. So now that's clamped, so we can saw that, slide it out, saw it, make our cuts. It's really fast. And we've got the workbench top. Once you've cut your rods, you can use the workbench top for assembly work, and then hand these off to the guys installing them. Now I'm going to show you how to bend 1 inch. So first we're going to flip the roller over. We're going to ratchet this through. And now that's ready for 1 inch. So let's make a mark for a 12-inch 90. In the bender head. There we go. Now, most of us are tall enough that we could reach up and make this bend. But here's the reason we put the ratchet on the BENDstation. So you can ratchet that down and you can get a lot of leverage back here, and we'll make this in 3 nice easy bends. 1, 2, 3. There's the 90. Now a lot of people kink 1-inch pipe because they don't put enough weight on the tail end of it. But with the BENDstation Pro, it's going to make a real nice smooth bend every time. So with these BENDstations, we're really helping your crew in 3 ways. The first way is in material handling efficiency. They're going to be able to load up in the morning with a big load of conduit and material, tools. When they push this out to a work area where 3 or 4 guys are working, they got enough material, enough tools to work a big part of the day, if not all day. It's going to save a lot of trips back and forth to go get more material, more conduit, more tools. So that's really helping your material handling efficiency just go through the roof. The second thing is the bending efficiency. So if your folks can read their protractor and read their level, they're going to be able to make almost perfect bends the first time. The bending efficiency is just really phenomenal. The third thing, and probably the most important, is safety. So we're almost completely eliminating the need to bend over and get up and down all day. So that's going to reduce a lot of stress and strain on their backs and their knees. And with the vise on board, that's going to help reduce a lot of cutting injuries. To learn more about Southwire innovative products, visit southwire.com. Yeah, when you do that, just go that way. Okay. So you tell me where you want to do the whole thing again?